What's up, everybody? I'm checking in out here. Beautiful spot in my zone. I love it. I love it coming out here and seeing the clouds, listening to the birds. I be feeding the birds. Hey, having a good time. But I hope y'all well, like I am. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. And let's get into it. Everybody has a place. Everybody has a place in this universe. Everybody, you have a body. Everybody has a place in this universe. Listen, this universe is working for you and not against you. Please understand that. Please try to understand that. Please say that it's working for you and then look at how blessed you are. Look at your past blessings. Just look at how, first of all, you woke up today. Second of all, you woke up out with some money in your pocket. Third of all, you woke up with some food in your. Let's look at what you have. See, people think that they need exterior things to feel appreciated by the universe, that their life should be going in a specific way. But listen, that's not how it go. That went out. But that's not how it works. When you start asking these questions, once you start walking this journey, once you just not you don't even have to walk this spiritual journey, just say that the universe is different for you. Once you start looking at what you have, oh, I woke up today with clothes on my back. You woke up, you're grateful about the little things. You're grateful about how great the day is. You have a little moment to yourself. You know what I mean? You pray about it, and then you go about it, and you have a good day. Or you try to have a good day, but you're trying your best. That's the whole point. You have to be aware. You have to be in the moment. You have to understand that you are blessed. Just because your life ain't going this way, it ain't going this way because you ain't make it go this way. Why do the universe have to give you this for your life, for you to feel like your life is blessed? Why can't the universe give you your body and say that you're blessed from the body that you have, and that the body that you have can touch another person's life, and the body that you have can make you millions, can make you thousands. It can make you this life can give you whatever you desire. You have to go out and get it, and I am just here to assist you. You have a place in this universe. You know, you're not alone. There's people walking these journeys with you. So I stopped eating meat last May, and I've been working on myself since about last April. Now, like I said before, this chapter of my life is called balance. To speak a little bit about me, this chapter is called balance. I believe that once I start doing the things that I say that I'm going to do, the things that I feel that I need to do, the things that I feel that I have to do, my life will become better. And when I start doing those things, it has become better. I stopped eating meat a long time ago because I just wanted to become more healthier. Now I'm understanding what balance is. I'm considering eating white meat again. There's nothing wrong with being a vegan. There's nothing wrong with being a vegan. But when you're talking about balance, let's talk about how you can prolong your life in all and not just a little bit. Because when I put myself in a box, I have stepped outside that box. So with that being said, I don't put myself in no box, in no kind of box. This is why I'm not into religion, and I'm also on a spiritual journey, because I'm not put inside a box. I don't want anyone to say that, oh, I can't be doing this. Why not? You see what I'm saying? Why not? Who are you to tell me that I can't be doing it? I believe that I'm in line with my plan. I'm aligned with my chakras to become a better spiritual person, become a better human being, so that I can touch more lives, because lives touch me. I've touched my life. I know thyself. When you know yourself, you can help others. You see what I'm saying? No one's perfect. No one should be trying to be perfect. What the fuck is perfect? What is perfect? You know what I'm saying? What's your ideal of living? Please send me that it's what you said that you should be living. Because let's put things into perspective. Let's say that you woke up with people around you, right? But you never felt people around you. When you just say, like, when you wanted to feel love, you just wanted to feel love, your heart felt that amount of love that you would receive from a person, right? But there's no one there. There's no one to tell you how you should feel, how you should act, what you should eat, what you should do, none of this stuff. So how would your life be like? If you was to die today, if you was on your deathbed and you had to think about the things that you've done, are you happy? Are you happy? Not only that, but even if you had a second chance to come back and get it right, would you? And what would you do? And why then would it be a sense of urgency? My point. Me personally, I'm a person that has to go through things through experience. This is why I can put myself in a box, because until I have done it, I can't really say. And besides, I don't want to take no one else's word from it. Because see, I can listen to you and I can take your heat, and I can also say that, oh, I am strong and I would do this a different way because I'm not you. You did that way. It happened to you that way. That's what God intended for you to happen that way. That's not how God intended for it to happen for me that way. You see what I'm saying? I have a different experience with it. I listen to what you're saying and I take heed to what you're saying. But according to what my God and my angels and my deities are telling me, I'm good. I'm good. You can't say it. I'm not delusional. You can't say it. I can. So know yourself. It's a reason why on every sacred temple it says, know thyself. Know thyself. You have to know yourself. Accept yourself. Just because you don't get along with certain people, you know, you don't vibe with certain energies. If your energy is way too high and someone come around and the energy is way too low, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. Don't even argue. I don't even argue this shit no more. I just ask my questions, and I just wait for my answers, then I go find it, and then I just act according about how I think that my life should be, according to my God plan, according to my plan, from what I perceive that is happening from them. Everybody has a place on this universe. Everybody was meant to put here to teach someone something, because we all go through something similar on a different level. It's okay. We all have trauma. We all have pain. We all have emotions. We all have those memories that we wish that we didn't have. But the thing is, you have to accept that and move with that. You see what I'm saying? Move with that. There's nothing wrong with you having these emotions. Accept these emotions. If you really don't like it, you should accept that emotion and change that emotion. You should try to understand that emotion so much. You should try to understand what caused that emotion more so than anything. Know thyself. Everybody has a place on this universe. Everybody. But that's all the time that I have for y'all today. Thank you once again for taking time out and listening to me. I'm drinking my tea. I'm talking to y'all. I'm listening to the birds. The sun's shining. Little bitty clouds. It's a beautiful day. Take care, all you beautiful motherfucking souls. Yeet.